Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the tech part of Tech Travels and Adventures. Last week I saw DJI announced a new OSMO Mobile. I have the OSMO Mobile 2 already and I've used for a few of my videos. It's fairly big, and I saw that the new OSMO Mobile 3 was able to fold. So more compact, easy to travel with. I was in my local Apple store here recently this weekend, and I came across the OSMO Mobile in stock. So I was already thinking about picking it up. I figured, why not? The one that they had in stock was the OSMO Mobile 3 combo, which comes with a case and a tripod included for an extra $10. It's not a bad deal. This is $139 versus $119. I thought I'd do a unboxing and then compare the OSMO Mobile 2, OSMO Mobile 3, but I also have the OSMO Pocket, which is, as you can tell already, a lot smaller. We'll just show the different sizes. Maybe I'll talk about some of the stuff it can do. But the main reason why I bought this one was because it does, as you can see here on the back, fold down. So let's do the unboxing now. Okay, here we have the OSMO Mobile 3 combo. This is the edition that comes with the case and the tripod stand. Let's see what's inside. First up, it looks like this is the case and an accessory pack. Let's open up the case first. Nice case. It says OSMO DJI right there. All right, on the inside we have the Mobile 3. Looking nice and compact. All right, before we get too far with that, let's see what's in this accessory pack. Alright, so first up looks to be a lanyard. We have here a bag either for accessories or the OSMO Mobile 3. Charging cable. And it looks like we have a manual. Last but not least, the tripod. Let me lay this out so you can see it better. Alright, got it all laid out here. Quick review. We got the bag, tripod, charging cable, lanyard. Pretty nice accessory pack, including that case. Okay, I just got the OSMO Mobile 3 unboxed, and I have it here lined up against the OSMO 2 and the Pocket. I mean, you can see already the big difference in the size with it folded down. I did a quick measurement. The OSMO Mobile 2 is 11.5 inches long, and then the OSMO Mobile 3 is about 6.5 inches long, so about half, and then the Pocket is about 5 inches, just to give you guys a scale there. So let me go ahead and unfold the OSMO Mobile 3 so you can see what it looks like extended. Okay, that was a quick look at the differences between the sizes of the OSMO Mobile 2 versus the Mobile 3. I'm going to go ahead and set up the Mobile 3 now using my phone. It's pretty easy. It's a little bit different to put your phone into this. Basically, you just snap it in and then adjust it from side to side, and where the Mobile 2 was a little bit harder. You had to adjust the arm to get it right, but here you just kind of center your phone and it does it. So I'm going to put in the side here what I'm showing here on my phone as I go through the setup. So you just turn it on, it beeps, auto rotates, and now it's stable. As you saw, I just did it real quick, so it's pretty easy. I'm not going to go through all the functions right now. I think I'll do a review video later and give you some test shots. But just a quick setup, you just open up the Mimo app. Alright, it found the OSMO was found. I'm going to hit connect. Okay, I'm going to hit pair. Alright, hit OK. And then you just kind of follow the prompts as you go through. So it's going to be fairly quick here. Alright. Some information on how to use the device. And now, oh, there's a firmware update. Let that go. I'll speed that up real quick. All right, give it access to the camera, and there we go. You see my tripod set up there. Okay, I just rotated it so it's in landscape. You just can select your face, and now it's actually tracking me. I have it on the tripod right now, sitting here on my table. Does a really good job tracking, face tracking. So all set up. Review coming soon, so be on the lookout for that video. Thanks for watching.